Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a video for YouTube. Of course you will need a program for recording and editing video. Also I will show you how to get rich. Well, if you have your program turned on, you can edit your video to be more 420 blaze it, MLG, 360 noscope, etc. For example, I will be editing iDubbbz. I will make it more MLG by adding some green screens. What? You thought I was going to show you how to add green screen and rest of fat stuff? Then get wrecked, you cunt. Now we need to render the video. Okay, so with good quality video, MLG montage, and lots of fat stuff, you are ready to get rich and famous on YouTube.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Please don't forget to leave a like, subscription, and click on a bell to get notifications whenever I upload a video. See you next time, bitches.